everyone. Fanita here. Happy Monday. Okay, so today we're going to be doing Etsy List 3, Episode 11. Well, I remembered it this time. Okay, so I'm not going to be showing the items that have already been sold because I've already shipped them off. And I want to say and mention again that I didn't do much listing again. I got lazy, and because of that, I didn't have very many sales. And I can't emphasize enough how important it is to list. And so my son started school today. My daughter's going to start our school in a few days, so I'm going to have more time on my hands to be able to do my videos and list more. And because it's very important, the more you list, the more you sell. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you the items that I have listed, and I did do 10 items. The first one is this one here, amethyst and jade, and this is some kind of pearl here. It's a necklace. I really love how dark the color of the amethyst is. It's really deep purple. I don't know if it doesn't really show very well in the video, but it is a nice purple there. And the necklace is 17.5 inches, and I did list this one for $25. And as you know, I do list my items for 20% off sale, so it's going to be a lot less than the prices that I'm mentioning right now. So this is number one. Number two is this unicorn cloisonne pendant here, excuse me. It's red and the unicorn's in black. It's a very large pendant, and it's two-sided, and it does have this rope that it's hanging on, and the rope is in good condition. It doesn't have any snags or anything wrong with it. And I listed this one for 20. Okay, the next one here is a artisan brooch. Okay, somebody made this. I'm not sure what the metal is, but it's not sterling. I did check it for sterling. It's not. I don't know what this is here. Not sure what this stone is on the bottom. And it is signed in the back, and the signature says Scarlet Ribbon. And I really like how it looks. It's very large, and I love how it has the little dangles on the side. It has a little moon over here and some kind of crystals hanging. It's a very nice piece. I listed this one for 25. Okay, the next one we have is, where'd it go here? It's a little puppy necklace. It's also sterling silver. It says I love you. It's a cute little puppy. And this one with the chain, I listed this for $15. It's very cute. And next we have, let's see, it says 9 to 5. Okay. Oh, where'd it go? Here. Okay. It's a cute little dainty snake necklace here. Very tiny little snake here, as you can see, and a little chain. And this one I listed for very little. I listed this one for $10. And it is sterling silver. It's marked and tested. On the back it's marked. So this one is 10. And next we have, oh, the colorful, here. It has colorful stones and it's a little cross. And it just got tangled. Here it is. It's a cute little, well, it's not that little. It's a cross with colorful stones, and it does come with this nice chain. And this one also is marked and tested, and I put this one for 20. Next we have this one here, and I listed this as a modern pendant. I'm not sure what the stone is. I can't really tell if it's a turquoise or not, but because it's very, as you can see, it's all really nice blue. And it is marked in the back. It says MG, I think it says in the back, and it does say sterling here at this end here, and it is tested. And I did add a chain to this as well, and I listed this one for 25. Next, we have, oh, this one here. Okay, I really love this one. It's a really nice, beautiful piece. This one is, it says Indonesia in the back, 925 and 2 letters. I can't really read the letters. I'm not sure what the stone is, but it's very pretty. I just love all the detail. It's very heavy, and I love the necklace it comes with too. It's like a matching necklace here. And this one I listed for 50 because it's a really nice, well-made piece here. Okay, next we have number 9. Okay, this one here. Okay, this one I did look up. They are going for very high prices. And let me untangle it here. Here we go. Okay, it has purple beads on it. I'm pretty sure these are glass. They may be crystal. I'm not sure about that. So this one is called Poggi. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's spelled Poggi. And it says Poggi Paris on it. It has purple stones on here, beads, and it's 3 strands. And it is marked over here on this side here. It's in gold tone. It's very pretty. They were going for much, much higher prices than what I listed it for, but I did list it for $60. Okay, what do we have next? And okay, the next one here is the 1960s Trifarri snake. This one is really high priced. Trifarri snake here. It's from the Garden of Eden series from Trifarri Crown. It's a pink color snake and it has green cabochon eyes. It does have marked and it has a safety chain. And there's nothing really wrong with the enameling, but over here you could see that it's been used over here on the top of its head, but nothing too bad. And I did look these up. They were going from the 500s all the way. I saw even one for 800. So I did, and this is something just like I say that I'm okay to sit on. So I did list this one for 450 because I did see one that was sold for 499 and they did take an offer on it. I'm not sure what the offer was, but that one did have scratches and it did have damages to the enamel. This one doesn't have damages. So I did go ahead and put this one for 450. And I want you guys to see it's really interesting, this one. I've never seen one before. And again, it's from 1960s, Garden of Eden series, Trifari Crown, and it's made by an artist named Alfred Philippe. So that's it for today, guys. Hopefully tomorrow, well, I will have more for you to list tomorrow, and I'll also show you what sales I have from today to tomorrow. Hopefully, I'll have some. Want to mention again about my jewelry group. There's always room for jewelry in Facebook. If you haven't joined already, please go ahead and do so. I included the link below. In the group, you can do 2 posts a day. It has to do with jewelry. You can post things like maker's marks that you're looking for, things that you're selling, just things that you're posting, your finds, anything you want that's related to jewelry. It's a really fun group. I'm going to go ahead and post the link below if you haven't joined already. And that's it for today. I hope you guys had fun. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye. Bye, everyone.